आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Sherlin and Danju are playing a Ludo at a home during Covid-19. While rolling the dice, Sherlin's sister Raji observed and noted the possible outcome of the throw every time belongs to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let A be the set of players while B be the set of the possible outcomes. That is, set A is a set of players, that is Sherlin and Danju, and B is the set of all the possible outcomes on dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have given R from B to B defined by R, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, then R is, तो हमें दिया है set A. Set A is the set of the players, that is Sherlin and Danju, and set B is the possible outcomes on the dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have also given a relation from B to B. Relation from B to B defined as, that is R equal to, it is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. So here we have to check the given relation is a symmetric relation and a reflexive relation or transitive relation or equivalence relation. So first of all we will check the reflexive relation. So for reflexive, R equal to A comma A, where for all A belongs to B. तो यहाँ पे A comma A होना चाहिए जितने भी रिलेशन में हमें B में दे रखे हैं. सो B में जितने भी पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हैं सबका डबलेट बनना चाहिए. दैट इज 1 है तो 1, 1 ये भी है, 2 है तो 2, 2 ये भी है, 3 है तो 3, 3 ये भी है, 4 है तो 4, 4 ये भी है, 5 है तो 5, 5 ये भी है, 6 है तो 6, 6 ये भी है. So here we can say the given relation is a reflexive relation. Given relation is a reflexive relation. This is a right. Given relation is a reflexive relation. And if we check the second, that is this given relation is a symmetric relation or not. So the concept of the symmetric relation, that is if we have A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A should also belongs to R. So here we can see यहाँ पे 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but if we see the 2 comma 1, then it does not belongs to R. So the given relation is not a symmetric relation. So the relation is not symmetric relation. And the third, if we will check the transitive relation, the third one is a transitive relation. Transitive relation. So the concept of the transitive relation is if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then it should be A comma C belongs to R. So if we see the given relation, that is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 belongs to R, and here it is also 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is also belongs to R. Let's suppose this is in place of A, this is in place of B, and this is in place of B, and this is in place of C. So here we can say that is the 1 comma 2 is also belongs to R. That is, this is A and this is C. So here we can say the given relation is a transitive relation. Given relation is a transitive relation. Is a transitive relation. So here we have find the given relation is a reflexive relation, transitive relation, but not a symmetric relation. So given relation is a symmetric relation? Not, it is not a symmetric relation. The given relation is a reflexive and transitive relation. Yes, this is a reflexive and transitive relation. the given relation is a transitive but not a symmetric, but here option C is given, the given relation is a transitive as well as symmetric, so this is also wrong. And the given relation is equivalence relation, this is not, because if a relation is equivalence relation, the relation is a transitive as well as a reflexive as well as a symmetric, so the option B is only the right answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।